Jacobus Lear from Overberg Taxi Services. Little share again. Got a call from a restaurant to pick up a client. Got to the restaurant, found the client in a wheelchair, unable to speak, unable to identify himself. So I decided to phone the ambulance. Well, first things first, get the ambulance telephone number. So I phoned the local police and inquired about a telephone number.
You know the ambulance, the local ambulance, you know, of the provincial hospital.
No, we use that 10177.
Sorry, what's the number?
10177.
Is it 1077? 01077.
10177.
So it's 01077.
01. Oh no, it is 10177.
Okay, just say slowly, please. I can't really. Just say slowly.
Okay, it's 1.
Yes.
0.
Yes.
1.
Yes.
77.
Okay, 10177. Thank you very much. Bye.
Yes. Okay, no problem.
Well, I got hold of the local ambulance service, and within probably about 5 minutes, they were on the scene, and they took the person to hospital. But as we did not know who the person was, I said to him, I will quickly put his photo on Facebook, and then, of course, upon identifying, I will contact him with the person's details. Well, a little while later, got a response from a person who phoned in to give me the identity of the number. So, of course, immediately I phoned the same number, the 01077 or 1077 than the previous one which I phoned, and the following was recorded.
Well, thank you. Sorry, you're speaking too fast. I couldn't hear you.
I'm speaking too fast.
Get your name there.
Jacobus, how are you?
I'm well, thank you, Jacobus. How can I help you, sir?
Listen, I phoned previously. They picked a guy off the street from there in front of the fish place.
What area is this in?
There by Hermanus. I picked the guy up that was in a wheelchair. And
Hold on quickly, Jacobus. Are you saying this is in Hermanus?
Yes.
Oei, Jana. Jacobus, this is Cape Town Ambulance Services. Let me just try and help you out with Hermanus's...
I thought there was one number. Yeah, I thought there was one.
No, it's fine. Let me give you the number quickly. Hold on.
Thank you. Because I found this number previously and I got to them. I don't know. I'm not even going to try to figure it out.
Yeah, it happens. Your number is 022
022
433
433
8700.
8700. Appreciate it. Thank you very much, Meneer.
My pleasure.
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
So, of course, I was very adamant I would like to get the details to the ambulance people, so at least they know he's in hospital and the person could be helped. So, of course, I phoned the next number that was given to me.
Weskusnoordienste, goeienaand.
Goeienaand, met wie praat ek?
U praat met ambulansdienste, met wie praat Wilma?
Hoor jy, ek het nou vanaand 'n nommer gebel en julle ouens het uitgekom Hermanus toe my auto kom optel daar by die visplek. Dis Jacobus van die taxidiens.
Hermanus.
Ja.
U is nou by die nooddienste op Moreesburg, meneer, in die Weskus.
Dit is. Nou, okay,
Yes.
Jy weet, ek het nou kom ek verduidelik vir jou. Ek het vanaand 10177 gebel.
Yes.
Toe kom ek nou by die Hermanus ambulans uit en hulle kom help my nou. Nou bel ek dieselfde nommer.
Okay, nou kom jy hier deur.
Hoe kom ek nou daar? Hoe kan ek
as Woester, nee, hulle gaan Woester toe, né? Woester Hospitaal.
Nee, Hermanus.
Ja, maar wat hospitaal toe gaan hulle?
Die gewone publieke hospitaal, die government, jy weet die onder by Hermanus.
Okay, laat ek net gou seker maak vir die nommertjie daarso, né?
Okay, ek wil net graag die mense in die hande kry want die ou het nie identifikasie nie.
Is dit?
Ja, ek het nou die identifikasie gekry, ek het al die besonderhede.
Is dit? Okay, ek vind gou vir meneer die korrekte nommertjie uit, né?
Dankie.
You will be connected as soon as possible. You will be connected as soon as possible.
So, of course, I wasn't connected as soon as possible. After listening to this a little bit for probably about 3 minutes, I really got tired and I thought, okay, let me phone the 100, that number, the 10 whatever number again, and see if I can't trace my steps back.
Ambulance services, Jocelyn speaking. How can I help?
Jocelyn, in watter land is ek nou? In watter dorp?
Ons Kaapstad hier, meneer.
Ja, jy die nommer wat jy my gegee het, het ek nou deurgekring in Woester of. Okay. Hoe kan ek 'n telefoonnommer die ambulansouens? Ek moet vir hulle het iemand opgetel, ek moet vir hulle ek het die identifikasie van die persoon gekry. So ek moet hulle kontak dat hulle weet wie die persoon is. Moet ek nie maar net hospitaal toe ry nie, gaan dit nie makliker wees nie.
Ja, as die persoon al klaar by die
Ja,
hospitaal.
nee, ek gaan net hospitaal toe ry. Dit gaan baie makliker wees, Jocelyn. Nee, moenie worry. Dankie hoor.
Alright.
Okay, so I just basically gave up, and like previously phoning emergency number, I didn't get anywhere, and it's very frustrating. So in future, if you need to phone an emergency service, get the guy that drives a car, or I don't know, get a number that works. Maybe I'll solve this problem, because this is still a mystery to me. And in any case, like I said previously, this is for entertainment purposes only, to share with you. This is Jacobus Lear from Overberg Taxi Services for signing out. Remember, we're here to drive you happy, and have a great, great week.